Today we will make this paper text cutout animation in Filmora. And it is very easy to make, which means it is very easy. And this is some background animation, and all the paper effect letters. The download link of all these files will be found in the description. So come on, now let's make this animation. Just follow my steps, or you can make cool animation according to your own. I have now added all my letters on the timeline. Then I give animation in these. In this way, animation has to be applied on all the letters. Now this overlay video has to be added on top, then its blending mode has to be done on the screen. So now this one on the letters, we have to apply the effect. You can see, because of this, some movement is happening in the P letter. Then it has to be applied on all the letters layer. Last steps, now it is time to add these effects. Hope you have liked this paper text cutout animation.